Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters.
Good morning po.
We like rewards. That is why we collect rewards points. Some drugstores like Mercury and Watson, they have Suki card. They have rewards because the more you buy from them, the more rewards you will get. When you go shopping, doing groceries, grocery stores, supermarkets also provide rewards. Gasoline stations, they give you rewards. Credit cards, they give you rewards. The more you use the credit card, the more rewards you will get. God also would like to give rewards. And that is the messages of our readings today. It is very seldom that the first reading and the gospel during daily masses give the same message. But today, the first reading from the book of Sirach and the gospel from Mark say almost the same thing. What does the book of Sirach say? Give to the Most High as He has given to you, generously according to your means. For the Lord is one who always repays, and He will give back to you sevenfold. So sa unang pagbasa, may pangako ang Diyos. Babalikan kita at ibabalik ko ang ibinigay mo sa akin ng buong puso ng 7 beses. That's from the first reading. And in the gospel, in response to the question of Peter, how about us? Jesus said, don't worry, I'll take care of you. I will take care of you not only here on earth, but also in the afterlife. Anyone who has given mothers, house, brothers, sisters, father, lands, children, he will receive 100 times more. No? Sa unang pagbasa, 7 times lang eh. Sa Ebanghelyo, 100 times more. And here, we are being reminded, God cannot be outdone in generosity. Kaya wag nating tipirin ng Diyos. Wag nating tipirin sa pagbibigay sa Kanya ng ating panahon, ng ating talento, maging ng ating kayamanan. Sapagkat ang Diyos ay marunong gumanti ng kagandahang loob. But my dear brothers and sisters, I just would like to remind you that we should not also do these things because of the reward. Like for example, tomorrow we will begin the season of Lent. Many of you will do some sacrifices. You will eat less, you will not eat meat, you will pray more, and many things. But why? Why would you do it? What is the motivation? Because of the reward? We should not do these things because we expect something in return. Medyo pag ganon, nahahaluan ng maling intensyon yung ating motivation. Yes, God will reward us with our good deeds. But let us not only work for rewards. We do these things out of gratitude to the Lord who has been kind to us. In other words, we are not doing this because we are aiming for something. We are doing this because we have already received something from the Lord. Pagtanaw ng utang na loob. Kaya kapag tayo gumagawa ng mabuti, hindi tayo gumagawa ng mabuti dahil may hinihintay tayong kapalit. Gumagawa tayo ng mabuti sapagkat unang naging mabuti ang Diyos sa atin. And that is gratitude. We do all those things out of gratitude. If rewards will come, thank you. If no rewards will come, thank you also, because the Lord has been kind to us already. Amen.